Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and you're watching my show Hustler's Life. Is influence important to lead? Yes, absolutely. Can you work in isolation in your personal and professional life? Not really. It's really important to learn how to influence people. Either you survive or thrive. Influence in leadership is the ability to impact business results by changing behavior and inspiring others to take action. Is it easy? Maybe not. But congratulations, it is learnable. So stay with me till the end to learn this art of influencing people and making an impact. Today I'm going to share my 4A theory of influence. Number 1 is attitude. Attitude can possibly make or break an individual, team or company. A right attitude is all that matters. If you think, मुझे सब कुछ आता है, I'm the boss, why should I listen? You're starting at a wrong attitude. Number 2 is abundance mindset. Leaders with abundance mentality share their ideas, seek out opportunities and pour themselves into the company and they encourage their team members to do the same. बहुत सारे managers feel insecure. They will not share. उनको लगता है I should hold on to the information. Eventually, they don't grow because they follow the crab mentality. Number 3 is adaptability and flexibility. Be adaptable to the new ideas proposed by your people. Listening to your people and being open to the change is the first step to influence. But again, हम तो सुनना ही नहीं चाहते. We tend to feel I'm the boss, I am right. Why should I listen to my team? Your team will never share when they know that their opinions don't matter. Be adaptable. Try to do something new with the inputs you get from your team. Number 4, add value. You can influence people by adding value to their life and career. That value could be something as simple as helping hand on a certain task. Help your people grow. But our insecurities sometimes stop us. बिना सोचे समझे, try to help your people and help them to grow. These 4 steps, believe me, are magical. By following this, you'll be able to influence and make an impact. You can try this even in your relationship and you will see the change happening. For more such content, follow me and subscribe to my channel right away. Take care. Bye-bye for now. God bless.